Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to disconnect a Facebook page from an Instagram professional account. So let's jump right straight into the video.
The Instagram app, ensure you've logged into your Instagram profile. Then you visit your profile home by clicking on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next you click on edit profile. Next you scroll up a bit, then you click on page. Then you simply click on disconnect page to disconnect this Facebook page from the Instagram professional account. So you can see it's been disconnected. That's all. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.